Tapos wala na.
Parang wala yung adjustments na
Ano mo yung tulong sa promotion? Oo nga. Marami kasi.
Kasunod pa yung ano pa.
Talaga, ang mamang magkakape. Endorser ng kape.
Thank you, ah. Thank you.
Iyak natin. Ay, ito'y malakas ngayon sa akin. Nasa Ireland pa ako. Ewan, ano nga na to? Nakalimutan ko yung kung sino yung ito'y dinadasal ng mga visionaries of reality. May pa rin connection pa rin ako with the missionaries of reality. In isang Pilipino. Ang mahirap dasalin itong dasal na ito. Pero kung kayo'y isa sa puso nyo at talagang ibubuhay natin, isa
Ini-interview po si Kuya Archie. Ini-interview si Kuya Archie. May batang naglalaro.
But for some of us, consciously, subconsciously, our sufferings, pains, wounds, trauma, still manifesting. But the big thing, the worst thing is that we inflict our sufferings to other people. It's happening in our workplaces, communities. Diba? Ito, pinan nyo lang. Pag nalayan nyo, bakit ganito kung abogada na ito? Correct. Correct requirements. Look. Huwag naman tinatawag ka ng Diyos na look into the right relationship, right worship. Right worship, sabi na, usapan namin, it should not just be entertaining. Or part of the cultural consumerism. Like asking us, I can manipulate God. When I ask the Lord, this could also be happening to us as Carmelites. Pare-pareho tayong Carmelites dito, di ba? Gutong Dei Quaere, that's the new document for the contemplative na seeking the face of God. In the different stages of life, you hindi ka na you, 40 ka. Midlifers, elderly, mawawala yung mga usual patterns natin. Retired. Hindi ka nagigising ng maaga. O, wala na si Bilader. Isa ka na lang sa kwarto. Diba? Mga anak, mawawala na. Iba na ang paraan nilang pamumuhay. Hindi ko naman siya pinalaking ganyan. Bakit nagkakaroon na? Wala pa kayo dyan. Okay. So, pero, wag naman ikayin naman yung moment. Diba? Pero, yung pattern mawawala. O dati mga estudyante ko na, kayo mga superiors ko na.
Story. The prodigal son. And it so happened when I was reflecting on this, that I see also the three stages of life, of spiritual, probably spiritual life also. The young son, the mature, both mature son, the elder son, and of course the father, the elderly. And we all can identify with those three phases of life, three stages of life. And again, God is asking us for metanoia, repentance, conversion. We keep being during this Advent season.
From the land of Egypt, show us wonderful signs. Who is there like you, the God who removes guilt and pardons sin for the remnant of his inheritance, who does not persist in anger forever, but delights rather in clemency, and will again have compassion on us, treading underfoot our guilt. You will pass
The young son, the elderly son, and the father. And while reading all this story, naramdaman ko sakit eh. Pain. The pain of the father. Buhay pa, pinagnanasahan na yung nanay at hinihingi na. Napakasakit naman nun, di ba? Kunyari kayong mga magulang, hingan kayo ng anak niyo. Bigay mo na kung akin. Ano para, buhay pa ako. Gusto mo lang kunin eh. And then, the son, the younger son, masaya, accepting his share of the inheritance, but also eventually, sabi ko nga, what you sow is what you reap. Ano yung tinanim niya? So, he saw pain. Wala makain. Naubos ang pera. Gustong bumalik. Siguro may shame. Buti na lang iba dito bumabalik. That's the story, no? Maski naman ako. 17 years old pa lang ako, gusto ko na maging pare. Lumabas ako sa mga Dominican. Buti hindi binawi ng Diyos yung tawag niya. Bumalik ako. Iniwan ko ang career, girlfriend, good life. Masaya naman ako, di ba? Bumalik din ako eh. Prodigal son din ako eh. O pero, like many of us, pag aside mo na yung Diyos, gagawin ko muna yung gusto ko. There's also, what you sow is what you reap. Believe the consequences of our decision. And many times our wrong decisions in life. Pain also on the part of the elder son. I have been always obedient, following you. But I have never received any affirmation from you. Yan, nagbaldas eh. Handa mo ng ganitong festivity, may paka pa. Kaya ako kahit kambing, hindi mo ako mabigyan eh. But we can also be like that. No? Self-righteous. And I'm sure Jesus was pointing to the Pharisees, the Sadducees, the leaders of the toxic Jewish religion. Correct requirements. Follow the 613 rules. But no true worship with God. No right relationship. So, the need also for the conversion of the elder son. And also us are like the elder son. blaming, looking at ourselves the better one, not accepting the sinners, judging. But Jesus is asking for what? Compassion, forgiveness. Ang hirap, no? Kasi pag nasaktan ka at mayroon kang nakitang mali, many times we have, the arrogance, not only to judge, but as if we are the God of justice who should be accusing the person. Eh, yun nga sabi ko sa pamangkin ko, no? Kung sa president ng UP faculty, na member ng parades, they are accusing these corrupt government officials. But please, look at ourselves. Look at our society. Look at our church. We are also enablers. Hindi ko alam ang relasyon itong elder son na to, kakanong younger son, if they have the right relationship. O kaya ako ngayon, yung aking kapatid na byudo, na may problema kami, ay na-apis din ako ng iba kong kapatid. You're babying him, kuya. Kaya lang yun ang natutuhan ko sa pagiging Kristiyano ko, sa pagiging pagpasa ko kay Saint Therese. Saint Therese, the saving grace was what? She was being babied by her father and her sisters. And that could really bear fruits. Conversion. Kaya minsan ang mga pusong nanay, di ba kayo nanay? Isa na-apis kayo, malapit kayo dun sa pinaka-problematic child ninyo. Kasi yun ang kailangan ng pagmamahal. Yun ang kailangan ibalik sa tama. Eh, hindi ko kayo masisisi ngayon ko nare-realize kaya pala ganun ang puso ng nanay ko. And even my father, in spite of his weaknesses. But then all of us have to be a father, like the father in the story. Nasasaktan, iniwan, ano pang term na natin pwede, ginalang niya, hindi na respeto, buhay pa. Pero patuloy na nagmamahal, nagpapatawad. It's the heart not only of a mother, but a father. And all of us probably are in need of this conversion. Yung mga dapat mong mahalin na, sabi ko, hindi na sila karapat dapat mahalin. Sinaktan nila ako. Magdusa sila. But the goal of Jesus is, at my stage, elderly, ito, what term to the Father Alan. Ernie, continue to love. Nakakapagmahal mo ba tayo kapag tayo nasasaktan?
Ang hirap.
Sinasaktan, winawalan niya. Hirap, no? Pero yun ang hinihingi ng Diyos in our conversion. The younger son bumalik. Buti na lang. The elder son, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari dito. Kung patatawarin niya yung bata at makikinig siya sa kanyang ama. Yung ama, na parating sinasabi natin always, reflecting the heart of God the Father. Anong conversion ang kailangan niya? Kaya siya nga ang Diyos. But for us, we have to have the heart of the Father in this moment. Conversion for the young ones, conversion for the middle ages, conversion to the elderly. And there are more elderly in this community. Salamat, kasama niyo ako. Mapapatayan tayo. At sana, patuloy pa rin tayo sa ganitong pagsasama. The epic vision, yeah, it's good. But the transforming love of God should start now.